So guys, hearing this is one more video has been came about in the Code with PK channels. In today's video, this is the project video, and in today's video, I am telling about the how to build a very beautiful tab headers. So no, I have already built the tab headers. So in today's video, I am building a full page tabs. So if you don't know how to build a full page tab, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it, how to create a full page tabs in the HTML. So see video start you, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also now my server and future later videos about the HTML projects. So without taking any time, let's move computer and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, sharing here one more project video has been came, and in today's project video I am telling about how to build a full page tabs. So let's start and let's build it. To build that, first of all you make one file. First of all you create a window, and first of all you make one file, okay, and give your file name should be under HTML. Only make a one file because we are only making in HTML, so yeah, we are making only one file. Now save it and let me close it. Now first of all we define in starting code like doc type declaration for starting code of our HTML. Now we write button, so we first of all start the button and tab links, and we are writing tab link because when we style it in the CSS, so it will be easy for styling. In the single comma home, this comma, and then red. Then what you can do here, in the button you write your home. And now copy this, paste. Now erase it and then paste it. Give it from news, green, and then give the ID should be default, open. Okay, perfect. Now when you do this, so you only wrote here news, perfect. Now when you do this, you will only do same thing else, okay. You only want to paste this, okay, let's come on it here, paste it, erase this, and then write here contact, blue, and then contact. Now what you can want to do it, so only come here, enter, paste it. Now erase this home and write here like about, give the color orange, and write here in the down, yeah, here you will write like about, perfect. Now what when you do it, you define, now what here you can do it, enter press and write here div id home, in the class you write tab content, in the h3 you write home, and in the p you write like home is where the heart is, then dot. Now perfect. Now when you do this, so now do the same thing else, copy it and then paste it, write here news, and write here some news, write here some news this fine day, do the same thing, paste it, only want to change here from like this, only erase it and write here contact, and then erase this and write here get in touch, comma, or swing by for a cup of coffee, like this. Then do the same thing else, paste it and write here like about, and come on it here, and then what you can do, erase it and write who we are and what we do, perfect. Now write question mark, now perfect. Now let's define some CSS code. So first of all we write like body, comma, HTML, give the height 100%, margin give the 0, and font family give the Poppins, comma, sans serif. Okay, because in this series we are all using the Poppins, so that's why. Dot tab link, background color give the black, text color give the white, float give the left, border give the none, and then outline also give the none, cursor give the pointer, padding give the 14 pixels, will be 16 pixels because in the all video we are also using this type of padding. Then give the text size will be 17 pixels and give the width 25%. Now add some little bit hover like tab link hover, background color to the hover give the red. Now dot tab content, in the dot tab content give the colors will be white, displays will be none, paddings will be 100 pixels, so will be 20 pixels, and then height give the 100%. Hashtag home, in the hashtag home you give the background colors will be red, hashtag up news, JVMs will be background colors will be green, and then hashtag contact give the background colors will be blue, hashtag about give the background colors will be orange. Now perfect. Now we add some little bit JavaScript code, so some the project some look like a interactive. Okay, function open page, page name, comma element, comma color, var I, comma tab content, comma tab links, like this. Tab content equals to document dot get element by class name, tab content give here. Now for, then write here I equals to 0, then I, then tab content length, then I plus plus, tab content, then I, then dot style dot display equals to none. Enter, then top tab links, document dot get element by class name, tab link, and then do this. Now do the same thing like for I equals to here 0. Okay, 0, then do this, and then what you can do, I, then less than sign, then tab links dot length, then I plus plus, tab links I dot style dot background color equals to like this. Now what you want you to do, you want to do it only dot document dot get element by ID. Now in this you do not write double commas, you only want to page name dot style dot display equals to block el mnt dot style dot background color shall be colored like this. Now what want you do it, only you write here document dot get element by ID default open, then dot click, and then like this. Now perfect. Now let me show you our project what we built it. So let's open it, and now it is looking like this. When we hovering it, now when we click home, so the home will become, when we click news, the news has become, contact has become, about, then the about has become. But when we are hovering it, it is not hovering very beautiful. So let's give the transition, let's add a transition, 0.3 seconds, save, and then run. Now when we hovering it, it is looking like very beautiful, like that, you can see. So here you can see in today's video we built the full page tabs in HTML only. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also. Now miss any future latest videos about the HTML project videos. So now I'm using Nicholas, and next video I'm using that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.